Hey guys, so this is my second batch of homemade sauerkraut. My first batch turned out pretty good, and I've already eaten it, almost all of it. This was my second batch, and I have a few problems, so I might need some help. For one thing, the brine level on each of these has gone way down. So it's not even above the sauerkraut anymore, even though I have it pushed down with a weight. The brine level used to be, well, an inch or more above the sauerkraut, and now it's down. So I assume that I can add more water to these, and I'll do that in a second. Another problem you'll see is in this one, I do have some mold. So you'll see that mold right there. So sorry, I know it's kind of gross, and from what I've looked up, I guess you can just take that out and it's fine. But let me know if it's not fine. It's kind of a little concerning and weird to have mold in there. But I'm just going to go ahead and temp that now. I've already kind of washed off all my glass weights that I had in there and my lids and wiped out the inner rims with the towel. And I'm just going to try to take out this mold. So I assume it's okay. It's kind of a little bit gross and concerning there, but I guess it's okay to do that. Take it out. So I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing, but you guys I'm sure will let me know. So I guess that might be good. I don't know. Don't really know what I'm doing. I'm new to fermenting foods, but I guess I could also give it a wipe in there. Okay. Then I also have I have a water solution, and I have 2 cups of water here, and I put in half a tablespoon for each cup of water. So I have a full tablespoon of salt in here for 2 cups of water. So I assume I can just bring the brine level back up in these, like so. And even in the one that had the mold in it, I assume this is okay to do. And then I will make sure that's all down, below the water level again, and put my weights on and put the lids back on. But let me know in the comments if you feel like I'm doing the right thing, or if this mold was an issue and I should just throw that jar out. I mean, it smells fine, and I haven't tasted it yet, but the smell is not bad or anything. It smells like sauerkraut to me. But let me know. Thanks.